So this video is for those clients, those who are, those who are negotiating or those who are taking time. I respect your things, but the problem is that, just check out. After doing a lot of process, booking an appointment, scheduling an appointment in the portal, developers portal, the time of launch, you have to be patient and you have to wait for your number so that you can probably book a unit, probably get a townhouse or apartment, whatever it is. So the clients, those who are taking time or those who are still thinking about the negotiation, please understand if your agent tells you to share the documents or check or the payment, please understand the situation. I'm not saying all the launches happens like this, but you need to understand there are some launches which genuinely has a huge demand. Just look at this. So this is the second queue. Finally we are here inside where the allotment will happen, but yes, still there is a queue. There is a screen where the token number what we got, we have to go there and we have to wait for our token to come. But yes, you can see a lot of people waiting here, and I think it will take time. So let's see how much time it will take. So here is the model of the community. It's already like now afternoon, and looking at the pace and the numbers, how it's going, I believe our number will be coming somewhere close to later in the evening. Couple of units got allotment, couple of units will get allotment done. So till the time all the allotments done, we cannot move from here.